Happy birthday.
Happy birthday
to Leah!
Happy birthday, Leah. Have a great one.
Happy birthday Leah. كل سنة وانت طيب Leah. عمر كبير كبير ما في صغير. Happy birthday to you حبيبي. Thank you for help for Barakota. Thank you for everything. Thank you for my heart to tell you everything. Thank you. Be careful.
Hey, Leah. Happy birthday.
Hi Leigh! Happy birthday! Sana nagustuhan mo yung pinrepare kong mga videos. Inedited ako aga. Ako lang yung mga nangulit sa kanila. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day!
Hi, Lay! Happy birthday! Missed you! See you soon underwater. Stay healthy and beautiful. Mwah, mwah!
Hi Ate Leigh! I want to wish you on your special day a very, very happy birthday. I want to let you know that I appreciate you so much. I appreciate being your friend. So happy to be your friend, really. I learn a lot from you every day. I will miss your special day and not be there on the celebration, but I know that all our friends will make it a very happy and special day for you. I wish you more dives, more travels. I wish that we can travel together. Happy birthday Ate. I love you so much and see you soon. Happy birthday to you.
Instructor Leah, I just want to greet you happy birthday. Thank you for certifying me. Enjoy your day and happy birthday. God bless.
Hi, Leigh! Happy birthday! Ilang taon ka na? Leah, my wish for you this year is to have the healthiest body, mind, and soul. Prayer for you is you will never cease to find joy and happiness in everything, big or small. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May God grant you all your heart's desire. Ilan man yun, ano man yun. I wish God will grant all of those. Good health always. More dives to go for this year and for the coming year. Of course, mga love life natin dyan and everything. Happy birthday, Leigh. I wish you will enjoy this day. Thank you for everything. Happy birthday.
Hello, Leah. Happy birthday. Have a blessed party.
Happy birthday, Leah. Ingat ka dyan.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Leah. I wish you good health, more dives, and more students.
You're very old now. I won't say happy birthday. I'll just say good birthday.
Happy birthday, Leah. First of all, sana sa'yo yung birthday. And the 365 days that comes after the birthday. Tapos, next year ulit, bate. Second, thank you. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Hi, Leah. Happy birthday. Miss na kita. Tagal na tayo ulit hindi nagkikita. Let's thank the Lord that He has given you another year. This year, happy birthday. I pray that God will always protect you with all of your activities, especially underwater activities. Take good care of yourself. I wish that you'll always be happy. Cheers to more love, more success, and happiness. God bless you. Happy birthday. See you soon.
Hello, Leah. Happy birthday from the Netherlands. Happy birthday. I hope you'll have a wonderful day. I'm sure we'll see each other again soon. Enjoy your party.
Happy birthday, Leah.
And where's Alex?
We miss you.
Leah, isang maligayang happy birthday sa araw ng iyong pagsilang. Wish ko lang matigil na ng mga quarantine flings. Sana seryoso na this time. Wish ko din na patuloy kang gamitin ni Lord as a blessing for the people around you. More birthdays to come and keep safe. Happy late 20s birthday sa'yo and enjoy the rest of the day.
Hi, Leah! Happy birthday! Pasensya na. Hindi ka maka-attend sa birthday party mo. We wish you good health. Always be safe. Always have a positive attitude. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday and more divings to come.
Hi, Leigh! Happy birthday! God bless and more students to come. I love you!
Happy birthday, Leah.
Keep making happy bubbles underwater. God bless!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Leah. Happy birthday. Sayo ang kainan, sayo ang inumin.
Ma'am Leigh, happy birthday. My wish is God will give what your hearts desire. God will answer all your prayer requests. And most of all, God will protect and guide you and your family always. The Bible says, 1 Samuel chapter 18 verse 3, a good friend is a blessing from God. Thank you. You are a blessing from God. Thank you, Ma'am Leigh, for being a good friend of mine. I love you. I will cherish you from my heart for the rest of my life. Thank you for being a good friend of mine. I love you. I love you.
Yeah, happy birthday. We're missing you on the boat.
Happy birthday, Le! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Dude, regalo ko para sa'yo. Masarap to, matamis na grapes. Anyway, stay healthy, stay happy, and many more birthdays to come. I hope you enjoy your day. Have a blast. Keep safe, especially pag nag-dive ka and pag nasa labas ka. I miss you! Oh!
Happy birthday, Leah. I miss you. Dive soon. I wish you good health. Yun lang, good health lang.
Hello, Miss Dizinil. Happy birthday. Wish you more birthdays to come and enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hi, Bess. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. I wish you all the love, hope, and everlasting happiness. Thank you for being my best friend since childhood, and may God bless you always. Stay healthy, take good care of yourself, and no matter what happened, I'm always been here for you. I missed you. I hope to see you soon. I love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Leah. My wish for you is good health and hope you find your true Massimo. I love you.
Happy birthday! We wish you all the best. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
To one of the few brave and strong women I've ever met, the adventurous and accommodating Leah Marie, happy birthday. May God continue to bless you with whatever your heart desire, and don't forget that we love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ninang Leah! When you're coming here,
Happy birthday, Leah.
we miss you. Pumasyal ka na dito. You have a room for you.
So ngayon, kami, mag-walking, tapos mag-babalik mga bata.
Mommy, it's raining.
More birthdays to come.
Good health.
Good health.
She's turning 25.
23. Miss you, Leah.
I miss you.
Gabi,
Love you.
say something to Tita Leah.
Hi! Happy birthday!
Whoa.
Hi! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday again. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you, to you, to you. Happy birthday, Ninang. We miss you. We love you. Ingat ka palagi dyan. Saka sa COVID at sa diving. Palagi mag-mask. Thank you. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, Tita Ninang. Huwag ka nang iiyak. Happy birthday. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Huwag masyadong nilalakayan yung mata mo. Isipin mo, Chinese tayo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Nina. Nakitita Nina. Happy birthday, Lay. Mag-ingat ka lagi dyan. Mag-enjoy ka sa kakadive mo. Si Clark gusto niya na maging diver. Ay, hindi ayaw maging diver. Takot ka sa diving eh. Happy birthday.
Ingat ka dyan. I love you.
Love you.
I love you.
I love you. Love you. I love you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Sun tumala, did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. A friend in the sun of sight. Did you know us? Hello, Tita Ninang! Happy birthday! Tsaka palagi ka maging sayo, tsaka malapit na yung Pasko, tsaka malapit na din yung birthday ni Clark. At tsaka birthday mo! Happy birthday! At tsaka palagi ka maging safe. Love you! At tsaka love you! I miss you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Ninang Leah! Ajay, wait! I'll give you a gift. Ajay!
Okay, what is your gift?
My gift is a cake,
Okay.
sunglasses,
Okay.
and a hat. And
Okay.
a hat too!
Okay.
And I'll give you some nice presents. Thank you, hat!
Happy birthday, Leah! Dinadalangin ko na maging healthy ka palagi at more blessing pa. Ingat ka sa pagdadive. I love you. Mwah, 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 mwah.
Hi, Leah! Happy birthday!
Ang wish ko sa iyong kaarawan ay maging masaya ang iyong buhay at maging matagumpay ang mga pangarap mo sa buhay. At number 1, tuwan-tuwa si Tito Eddie mo sa pagpapanood niya ng video mo sa pagdadive. Kaya kanina pinag-uusapan ka na namin dahil galing kami ng kapihan. Happy birthday at sana masaya ang iyong araw ng iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday!
Hi, Leah! Happy birthday! Natuloy ba kayo sa Barracuda Diving Center? Diving nyo? Tanghalian? Enjoy lang! Enjoy kayong lahat yan! Happy birthday, Leah! Anak! Happy birthday!